How to find video quality settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find video quality settings on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here, and now go down and click settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now click this one media, and then click this one here, and you can manage here anything you want. You can see here video quality, and here you can find video quality settings, and that's how to find video quality settings on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. Please, if you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.